Welcome to Pegasus Ventures. I'm here to talk about buying custom guest checks. The most important thing I want to share is what we print on your guest checks won't impact your quote. Whether you need your whole menu or need blank lines, this does not change your quote. Sounds kind of odd, but printing guest checks is a manufacturing process, and the specifications required to physically print your guest checks and the number of guest checks ordered is what truly impacts your quote. The first thing you'll want to think about is how many to order. We will gladly print as few as 5,000 guest checks, but keep in mind pricing goes down as the number you order rises. Think of it this way, the cost to set up the presses to run your guest checks is a fixed cost. Whether we run 5,000 or 500,000, the cost is the same. The more you order, you will see your cost per thousand drop dramatically. So how many should I order? Generally, we suggest ordering enough to get you through 1 year. How many guest checks will you use in a year? 100 guest checks a day is about 35,000. Buying 35,000 guest checks is savings of about $35 per thousand or $1,225. This is just an example. Check your quote, we'll put several options for you to review. Again, we are pleased to do any amount you want starting at 5,000. We are doing something new on our website. We've added what we call templated custom guest checks. We can print custom for your restaurant on the templated guest checks using the specifications you find on the website, along with pricing. We are absolutely glad to do a custom quote for you, or it may be helpful to look at our templated custom guest checks to get an idea of the costs. The choice is yours. By the way, want references? The guest checks with restaurant names on them are real restaurants. Feel free to give them a call and see how we did. Some of the templated guest checks are stock product we've priced out for custom work. Well, this video was just to give you something to help you decide your next step. Please feel free to call 616-425-9321 if you would like to talk it over. You can also send us an email at info@guestchecks.us. Thank you for visiting Pegasus Ventures. Don't forget we are online at www.guestchecks.us.